Hello, my name is Emma Holmqvist. I'm an illustrator, and today I'll share with you 5 tips to become a better editorial illustrator. So my first tip is find your idea process. If you need to take a walk, if you want to take a shower, or if you need a nap, whatever works best for you. Plan your time. It's really important to be reliable as an illustrator, making sure you can meet deadlines with sketches and your final illustrations. Practice your sketching. Try to be as communicative as you can in your lines and be confident. Make sure you're structured in your Photoshop document and in your communication with your client. This will really help you throughout the process. Develop your style. Make sure you find influences and inspiration that keeps you evolving as an artist. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips useful. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you want to learn more about illustration, check out my online course at Domestika. You look fine while drawing. Style, style, style. I can't get it. Yeah. You're gonna be here for hours. I'll make sure of it.